My name is Mike Kumali.
Mike Kumali.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
There is this matter before court. I need you to tell us what you recall concerning the 14th of March 2021.
I remember on that day I was on duty. As usual, I woke up in the morning. I performed my duty from 6 to 6.
What were your duties
As a
at
sentry,
the campsite?
At the sentry, as a sentry at the main gate. At the same time, I had some added responsibility of keeping rivals in safe custody.
So you were the armourer at that time?
As the armourer, my lord.
And which other duty were you assigned?
I say to my lord, I was we used to perform.
We can't hear you.
Can you speak up,
voice.
We used to perform guarding that camp.
You were guarding the camp.
Yes, my lord.
Who were you guarding the camp with?
I had other officers, 6 other officers.
Who are those?
Including Senior Sergeant Okwii, Doris Karambo.
Sorry, you are saying Senior Sergeant
Okwii.
Senior Sergeant Okwii.
Yes, my
Okwii.
lord. Yes, my
The
lord.
accused, eh?
Yes, my lord.
Okwii. Who else?
Doris Karambo.
Doris Karambo.
And Johnny Mwenda. Somebody Omae. Wilson Omae.
Omae.
Wilson Omae. And somebody by the name Sammy, I can't remember his name, Sammy. So on that very day, I remember at 17:00 hours, I was relieved by Doris Karambo and Wilson Omae after issuing them the rifles. And Doris and Omae I issued them with G3 rifles. The Senior Sergeant Okwii, I issued him with an AK rifle. Round. Okwii, I issued him with the AK for 73 rounds, but these other 2 G3 20 rounds each.
The caliber for Okwii?
That's 7.62 special. On managed to go to the scene.
So were you with them that night, working together with them?
No, it's not working.
They're not working.
So when did you check out of work?
I checked out of work at 17:00 hours.
Tell us what happened at around 22:00 hours.
I was asleep, and one police officer, Omae,
What is the rank of the man?
police constable,
Called you.
he called me. He said Senior Okwii was calling me. He wanted to see me. And given that I was asleep, my phone was off, so he was not getting me.
So if your phone was off, how were you called?
How did Wilson Omae get to you? You're saying he called you,
He came to my house.
came knocking to your
Yes,
house.
yes, my lord.
Did you get out?
I called out my lord and tried to know what was happening. But on the way, I met Senior Okwii, who said he had seen a suspicious vehicle somewhere. So he told me that we proceed. But on the way, I could not go because I was in slippers and I was not dressed well.
Please, you said you are spotted as a suspicious vehicle.
Tell the court what you're testifying to. You're saying Dr. Okwii, what did he tell you?
I can go back.
You said that he told you he had seen a suspicious vehicle.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Did he tell you where the vehicle was?
In fact, let me go back, my lord. I'm messing up. It's Wilson who said, I've seen the suspicious vehicle. Now, when I came out, I met Senior, and then we went to the direction where they said they have seen the suspicious vehicle. Now, when we are going...
Listen a minute, you know I'm recording. So, Omae and two... Seeing suspicious vehicle on the route. Senior Sergeant Okwii.
Yes, my lord.
Tell us what happened when you met him.
So we proceeded to the perimeter fence, going outside to the direction.
The three of you?
No, it was me with the Senior Sergeant Okwii, my lord.
You proceeded
So-
to the perimeter fence with who? With? You said you and who else?
Senior Okwii.
And where did Omae go?
After he called me, I didn't see him again.
So Omae just called you and you didn't see him.
Yeah, when I got out, I didn't see him.
You're saying you were with Senior Sergeant Okwii,
Yes, my lord.
and where were you heading to?
To the perimeter outside the camp.
So you went outside the camp?
Yes, but I didn't go far. I realized that I was
Officer,
not
you are
dressed.
not there.
Yes.
So tell us something that we can record. You have met Okwii, he's telling you I've seen a suspicious vehicle. Let's move this direction. So did you go out of the camp? Yes or no?
I went, my lord.
Out of the camp?
Yes, my lord.
At what point did you go outside the camp? Because you're saying that you went back.
I
so-
didn't move far, just
So
at
you went
the
out to
perimeter
camp
wall, and then I
together
went
with
back.
Okwii. Were you together?
I was with him.
Okay. You said because you were in slippers.
I was in slippers with a shirt, then I had to go back.
So you went back leaving Okwii outside.
I told him I have to go and dress, then I come back. So I left him.
I told Okwii.
So when I went back, before I reached the house, I had the gunshot.
So you went back.
Then I dressed up, and immediately when I was getting out to know what was happening, I received a call from the SOPs.
How many gunshots did you hear?
I had 3 gunshots.
Did you get to know from which direction the gunshots were coming from?
I did.
Tell the court.
From
Which direction was that?
From the direction where Senior Okwii had headed. Then when I was going out to know what had happened, I received a call from the SOPs from headquarters. He asked me what was happening.
You told him?
I told him I've had the gunshot, but I didn't know what was happening. But then he told me to head back to the outside to the tower next to the warehouse.
When he's giving you the instructions, was he within the camp?
Just a minute. He directed you to go towards the tower. Yes? He directed you to go where?
He told me to go to the tower next to the warehouse. So I went there, and when I reached there, I got Senior Sergeant Okwii there with PC Omai. There was a vehicle
Where was this vehicle?
outside the perimeter wall, the perimeter wall, perimeter fence.
What type of vehicle?
What type of vehicle was it?
If I'm not wrong, it was a Mazda.
Was it a lorry? Was it a small car?
It was a pickup, my lord.
And so you found PC Omai and Sergeant Okwii. That's what you're telling the court.
That's what I'm saying, my lord.
What else did you see?
Beside the pickup, there was a man lying down there,
Exactly at what point beside the pickup?
just next to the pickup, like 1 meter away,
In the front, at the back? Where exactly was this man lying?
on the side of the pickup.
The back side or which side? If you recall well.
On the side of the pickup.
There
not
is the
behind.
front, the back, the middle side. So tell us exactly what you saw.
The side, on the side.
In front, at the back, or where? Just the side of the pickup.
Yes, my lord.
Was it the side to the driver's seat or the co-driver's seat? Which side?
It was not on the side of the driver's seat. Yes, my lord.
That's what you saw.
That's what I saw. And then on the tower, there was somebody hanging, not hanging, but kneeling down, with hands dropping on the rails.
So you're saying on the tower, there was someone hanging on the rails.
Yes, my lord. And from the look of things, he was one of the guards.
It appears. For the guards. Civilian?
Yes, my lord.
One of the civilian guards.
When you talk about guards, what are you saying?
And these are the civilian guards. I think that what we call it. There was a company working
A
there.
security company.
A security company,
There was a
Skywatch.
security company that was also working at the campsite.
Yes, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
And on the pickup, we had some goods in box.
On the pickup. Goods in boxes? Or what
In a
was-
box, which I came to realize it was a bed. Imported bed.
realized.
And then there was some bushes there. We had some other beds in the box, like 2, were still, they had not been loaded on the
So there were
pickup.
others on the side or down? Where?
They were down.
2 boxes.
Yes, my lord.
There
You're
were
saying that you also saw some other 2 boxes
2
being
other boxes.
Yes, my lord.
that were not on the pickup.
Yes, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
And the man that you saw lying besides the pickup, how would you describe that one? Was he also a guard?
He wasn't, my lord.
How did you know that he wasn't a guard?
All guards who were working there, I knew them. was in fact in civics. He was not dressed in any other uniform or guards uniform.
So you're saying he was not in the guard's uniform?
Yes, my lord.
But the one you saw on the tower was in the guard's uniform?
Yes, my lord.
So the one you saw on the tower with the guard's uniform, was he known to you?
My lord is somebody whom I know. We used to eat together. We trained together in the gym. So he was my best friend. He could not even last an hour.
What was the name of that person you saw at the tower?
I can't remember. I've forgotten, my lord.
Forgotten the name.
Yes, my lord.
But you're saying he's a person that you knew very well. That's what you're telling the court?
I may say I used to call him with the Django name because
What was the name you used to call him?
I used to call him Shemeji.
Did you know if he was on duty that night?
Yes, I know he was on duty, my lord.
Did you get to know where he was assigned duties?
Yes, my lord.
Where was he assigned duty?
Inside the camp patrol.
He was assigned duty inside. You are saying inside the camp?
Yes, my lord.
And specifically which duty?
Patrol duties.
Patrol duties.
Yes, my lord.
Was on patrol duties.
Would you know whom else was on patrol duty? That night?
The guard we used to have one.
For the guards, you used to have one.
Yes, my lord.
So he would just do patrols by himself?
Just walk around, my lord.
He would walk around.
Yes, my lord.
So ideally, he was not to be stationed in one place.
Yes, my lord.
So you've said that you were telling us you saw the vehicle and you saw other goods that were besides the vehicle.
Yes, my lord.
What did you do after you saw Sergeant Okwii, Wilson, and the vehicle, and the two people you spoke about?
So after seeing that, I became a contact man. The SOPs was telling me to do this when they direct the OCS.
So what were you directed to do at that point when you saw the vehicle and the two people?
I was
One
called,
lying down, one on the tower, and
my lord, I was called upon to direct the OCS in Bakassi, scenes of crime officers, to come to the scene. Given that they didn't know there, I had to move to the road to wait for them.
So you were to call OCS in Bakassi and scenes of crime personnel?
Yes, my lord.
did they visit the scene?
They all came, the OCS, scenes of crime, and people from DCI, they all came.
When the officers came, go on.
When they came, at that time the officer in charge who was supposed to report there, to man that station, he also came.
Who was that?
It's Inspector Mary Kithure.
Inspector Mary
Kithure.
Kidure of AP.
No, NPS, National Police Service. Who was to be the OCS there?
OCS Railways.
OCS SGR to the side.
Who was the officer? That's okay, man. Okay.
So the officers have come.
So when the incoming OCS came, he took over everything. And at that time is when the officers from DCI told me to counter check the ammunition which a senior sergeant had, and that's what I did.
Senior Sergeant Okwii. You checked? What was the finding?
What did you find out after checking the firearm?
I checked, I thought was missing
Sorry?
7 rounds.
Sorry?
7 rounds were missing.
So this checking, where were you doing it? Were you checking there? I mean,
On the scene,
7 rounds that are less. What did you do?
I just noted somewhere in my notebook.
You noted it.
Yes, my lord.
Was the firearm ever returned to you by Sergeant Okwii?
No, my lord.
Where was it taken? Did you?
It was taken to the DCI in Bakassi.
Did you get to know when he was disarmed?
He was disarmed on 15th.
On the 15th of?
15th of March, a day after.
What is that you're holding?
This is an AK-47.
What is
The serial number corresponds to mine, my lord.
Sorry?
The serial number corresponds to my records.
Who did you issue it to?
Senior Sergeant Douglas Okwii.
My lord, for this witness.
so that's all.
Yes.